If you're a designer, engineer, or product developer, you've probably heard both the terms PDM and PLM branded about. But what do they really mean? And more importantly, do you actually need them? In this video, we're diving into the world of product data management and product lifecycle management. Why they matter, how they can help, and the telltale signs your team might be suffering the effects of working without one. Let's start with fundamentals and break down all the jargon. PDM stands for Product Data Management. It's all about managing your design files, whether it's the CAD itself or the accompanying documentation. This is stored in a structured way, helping you control versions, track changes, and ensure that the whole team is working from a singular source of truth. The data is usually referred to being stored within a vault, a central secure location. PLM or Product Lifecycle Management goes one step further. If PDM manages your data, then PLM manages both your data and your business's processes. Whether this is issue management, project management, or full change governance. It manages the entire life cycle of a product, from concept and design to manufacturing to servicing and even disposal. Think of PLM as the digital backbone of your end-to-end product development process. Note also that PDM is encompassed within a PLM system, as the data management is a key cornerstone for any additional functionality. So now we know what they are, why do you need one? Here are 5 key reasons why PDM and PLM systems are game changers for any organisation. Revision control. Get away from naming your files with suffix of V2, V3, final, or even final. Collaboration. Design is seldom a solo activity. Ensure that you can work collaboratively with your colleagues without having your work accidentally overwritten. Traceability. How do you know who changed a file, what they did, when they did it, and why they did it? Compliance. Strive for ISO 9000 status, have specific industry standards or regulatory audits. Faster time to market. As the saying goes, time is money. Streamline your workflows and reduce delays. Without these systems, teams often waste hours searching for files, redoing work, or fixing errors that could have been avoided. Still undecided if you need one? Let's take a look at some of the red flags that signal that it's time to consider a PDM or PLM system. File chaos. Have you ever lost a reference to a file across a colleague's desktop, email threads, or deep inside a folder structure on a map drive? Revision confusion. 2 designers are working on different versions of the same part, and nobody knows which is correct. Or worse, nobody knows which version to manufacture. Manual processes. As engineers, we love both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. However, spreadsheets are not designed to track bill of materials, change requests, or approvals. Slow onboarding. New team members can take weeks to get up to speed because there's no centralized system for your data. Compliance nightmares. Audits are stressful, as documentation can be incomplete, inconsistent, or not even located where it should be. Remote work struggles. Your team cannot access files or collaborate effectively outside the office. If any of these sound familiar, then it's probably time to start exploring your options. And you're not alone. A worldwide survey of 2,500 small to medium-sized design and engineering firms were asked what problems they have with data management. From responses, almost half experienced issues sharing information, with others struggling to manage, reuse, and find data. Others struggle to collaborate remotely, share externally, as well as manage their design projects. Okay, so you're convinced. What's next? We've been advising and implementing data management solutions over the last 28 years. With our experience, we can advise which solution is the right fit for your organisation, from cloud-based to traditional server solutions. Together we can determine this by considering the following key areas. Assessing your needs. Start identifying your biggest pain points to ensure a quick return on your investment. Involve stakeholders. Will you be managing only data and processes from the design team, or need input from IT, quality, or operations? Map your processes. Understand how data flows today within your organisation. Start small. You don't have to implement everything at once. A phased approach is normally the best. Think long term. Consider where your organisation is heading in the future. Setting off on the correct path initially can pay dividends in the long run. Whether you're a small team drowning in CAD files or a growing company struggling to scale, get in contact with us at Solid Solutions to see how a PDM or PLM system can be the key to unlocking your next level of productivity.